I'm Harry Norman, owner of OAL, a 10 million turnover company based in the UK. I'm here to introduce steam infusion, a revolutionary heating and mixing technology. To wake you up a bit, I like to compare it to an international sprinter, Usain Bolt. And we can, instead of doing it in 10 seconds, run the same distance in 3.3 seconds using 10% less energy. Truly amazing. We have traditionally sold multi-million-pound engineered systems that convert raw materials into finished products, soups, sauces and bakery products to companies such as Heinz and Premier Foods. Working alongside these corporates, we have transformed our business by thinking outside the box and investing 5% of our turnover in R&D. Last year, we won a record £1 million investment from Innovate UK to increase the nutritional benefits of manufactured food. The grant conservatively endorsed a potential £2 billion market for our technologies across the world, and that's just in food processing. The steam infusion process is really exciting and amazing. It cooks things incredibly quickly. The analogy would be a wok replacing a saucepan at home. The flavours and vitamins are preserved, vibrant colours maintained, and with no burnt-off taste. Using this technology demonstrates... ought to go on the slide. Sorry. Using this technology demonstrates how our customers have shifted product perception within markets. A discount supermarket used our technology to move from low margin, low perceived value, and their sales increased by 500%, along with substantial margins. A maize drinks manufacturer in Zambia has set up a new operation to take on the might of SAB Miller, a huge company. They're confident they can do it because the quality of the product is superior and their processing time has come down from 2 hours to 15 minutes for maize hydration. He should know what he's talking about because he sold his business to SAB Miller 3 years ago. OAL have installed over 15 steam infusion units in the last 2 years, which are producing a wide variety of food and drinks, primarily in the UK, with a total project value circa 3.8 million, which is returning a GP of 30%. The products are being widely sold at the premium supermarkets such as Sainsbury's. Conventional heating relies on exposing products to a hot surface. The faster the heating required, the hotter the surface needs to be. Any budding home chef knows heating up milk quickly results in burn-on. On an industrial scale, this is a major challenge. OAL steam infusion directly injects culinary steam at an efficiency of 99.7% into either a vessel for batch processing or into a pipe for continuous operation. Steam infusion uniqueness is it temporarily vaporizes liquid phase of a product, allowing a near perfect heat exchange with no burn-on. Independently verified trials have confirmed heating of water is 3 times faster, and with dairy products we can get to 6 to 10 times faster. Furthermore, we mix, pump and can handle particulate products with 2 centimetre dies. This allows removal of traditional cooking steps. This slide, can I go back one? Oh, there we go. This slide shows the real-world effects in producing a conventional white sauce. The environmental impact of this compression of time is huge. We only need half the physical equipment in a food processing facility. The building needs to be half the size. We use 10% less heat energy, 60% reduction in cleaning times and the subsequent effluent that comes off those processes, and 10% saving on high-value ingredients that go in the products. It really is groundbreaking technology. Within emerging markets, where it's a significant new build, we'd be able to fully exploit these benefits. And we also have the option of a retrofit package to actually fit to existing kettles. So here we're showing 2 systems. This is a batch system based in Holland, which is presently cooking 6 tonnes an hour. The new system replaced twice the number of old cooking vessels, yet manufactures at twice the rate of the old equipment. Incredible. The energy costs metered into the factory have dropped by 9%, then producing significantly more product with exactly the same labour. A true what a disaster. Sorry about it. Oh, God. That's the office. A true measure of our success is the NDAs and test equipment we have in place with international manufacturers who in 2013 had a combined turnover of $92 billion US. The work has the potential to unlock global standardizations of steam infusion within corporates. OAL are ideally looking for an active investor to take a minority stake in the business who can help us to realise the worldwide opportunities for the technology in return for a multi-million-pound investment. With your support, then the equipment can be supplied that will make a real difference in the essential part of all our lives. Great food and drinks that do not cost the planet. Sorry for everyone.